Welcome to the Cashless Compass, your guide to financial freedom. What if I told you that by the end of 2025, I could be a millionaire, all through passive income? Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly the challenge I've set for myself, and you're coming along for the ride. Real estate, dividend stocks, online businesses. I'm diving headfirst into the top passive income streams to see which ones really work and which ones are just hype. Whether you dream of earning while you sleep, traveling the world, or just escaping the daily grind, this is your chance to learn how to build wealth without working 24/7. The hardest part? Getting started. But I've got you covered. Stick with me as I break down real strategies, real success stories, and the real steps to financial freedom. Drop a comment on what's holding you back. Hit that subscribe button, and let's make money moves together. So, what are the most exciting passive income streams to explore? Here are some top contenders. On 1, real estate investing. Whether it's owning rental properties or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, real estate has been a reliable way to earn passive income. You get a steady rental income plus the potential for property appreciation. 2, dividend stocks. These stocks pay you a slice of the profits. With dividend stocks, you can enjoy a reliable and growing income stream with little effort. Just sit back, collect dividends, and reinvest to grow your wealth even faster. 3, online businesses. Ever wanted to create a website, start a YouTube channel, or sell digital products? The world is your oyster when it comes to online businesses. Work from anywhere and scale as big as you want. Let's face it, who doesn't dream of earning money while kicking back, traveling, or simply enjoying life? That's the magic of passive income. But it's crucial to start focusing on ways to generate wealth without the constant grind. 4, affiliate marketing. This one's a game changer. Promote other people's products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your referral link. It's all about leveraging your audience, whether on social media, a blog, or YouTube. No product creation needed. Just promote and cash in. 5, creating and selling online courses. Got a skill or knowledge to share? Create an online course and watch it make money while you sleep. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable let you sell your expertise without any extra work after the course is live. Passive income isn't just for the rich or tech geniuses, and it definitely isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about smart work, dedication, and setting yourself up for the long game. Sure, it takes effort in the beginning, but once the ball is rolling, momentum does the work for you. 6, mobile apps and games. Think about it. Once you've developed an app, it can generate passive income for years with minimal updates. Look at apps like Candy Crush. The creators are raking in cash. You could be next. #success stories that inspire. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner built a 7-figure business by promoting financial products online. If she can do it, so can we. Nathan Barry went from broke to earning over $100,000 a year just by creating and selling online courses. His story proves that with passion and persistence, you can create a massive stream of passive income. Building these streams takes time, but the payoff? Freedom, flexibility, the ability to live life on your own terms. But here's the real kicker. Getting started is the hardest part. How many times have we gotten stuck in the planning phase, unable to take that first step? And let's not forget the fear of failure. It's real, it's scary, but it's also necessary for growth. So, what's holding you back? Is it fear, lack of knowledge, or just being overwhelmed by all the options? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear which passive income streams excite you and what's stopping you from taking that first step. That's a wrap on today's episode of the Cashless Compass. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and inspiration on building wealth and achieving the life you deserve. Now, to send us off in style, it's time for the Cashless Compass theme song. Let's do this together. I'll catch you in the next video.
Come along, it's time to fly. A financial journey, we're aiming high. Like, comment, subscribe today. Stay locked in. don't look away. Cashless compass, show me the way to a debt-free life starting today. No more stress, no more strain. Family, friends, we're breaking the chain. Chasing freedom, we're on the rise. Financial peace, let's reach the skies. Stay tuned, see what's next. Best content, nothing less. No more limits, no more fear. We're breaking through, the future's clear. Passive tips, income streams. This is the life, we're living the dream. Cashless compass, lead me to the top. Debt-free dreams will never stop. Passive income flowing, feeling so free. Happiness now for you and me. Hit that like, drop a comment, join the squad, don't miss a moment. Subscribe now, stay in tune, level up, wealth coming soon. Step by step, we're moving ahead. No more chains, no more debts. Building wealth, stress-free, no doubt. Cashless compass, we're breaking out. No mess, no stress, just pure success. Join the journey, we're here impressed. Cashless compass, you're finally free. A life of wealth and serenity. Push that content, algorithm tight. YouTube grind, we on the rise. Content creator, watch us thrive. Like, comment, subscribe today. See what's next, don't look away. Continue to watch the best around. Get rich now with cashless compass tips. Smart moves only, no chance we slip. Just strategy moving, no time to delay. We're building wealth, paving the way. Build chats tree, no way. Cashless compass, yo, what's next? Don't look away. Continue to watch the best around. Get rich now with cashless compass tips. Smart moves only, no chance we slip. Just strategy moving, no time to delay. We're building wealth, paving the way. No more limits, no more fear. We're breaking through, the future's clear. Passive tips, income streams. This is the life, we're living the dream. Cashless compass, lead me to the top. Debt-free dreams will never stop.